Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing Stars and Stripes baseball for Floyd. Good luck. Floyd, if you want more, I can stay on a little bit longer. Kevin's probably got to go, but
It's gonna take me half an hour to pack your car. Yeah. I mean, we're early bedtime and all that stuff. I let her side of the family have her Friday, most of Saturday.
all right, here we go. Good luck.
Do you have to haul it and all ship it? Huh? Do you have to ship it all? Or like take it to the post office? Oh wow. Jeez. Is it still raining?
Oh man, we pulled golds, several Zion silvers, Zion autograph today. There's a thick one. Good luck, Floyd. Three. Yeah, that's good, Floyd. Yeah, sure. I can do that one last. Cody Schrier. Oh man, nice one. Well, let's just start with a 1-of-1 World Baseball Classic.
Godzilla coming through.
Royce
Well,
Riley Greene out of 25.
Yeah? Awesome?
Pretty awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Pete Crow Armstrong out of 199 silhouette. Or
Do you need help carrying something out, man?
Nah, I'm good.
Is it all this stuff? Yeah, you're fine. I'll help you, bro.
Zach Watson.
This right here.
That one heavy?
I got it.
Man, what a first box. Josh Jung autograph. And Avery Short out of 299.
Anything else?
Steele Walker. 18 of 25. Beautiful patch. T.R. Williams. Graeme Stinson Green out of 249. $238 of 499. Adley Rutschman. Floyd is killing this break.
What did you just get?
He's at everybody but Bobby Witt Jr. and 1-of-1s and
What in the world?
Chun Kai Liao.
Got a little Stars and Stripes.
Jared Kelly out of 25. Corbin Carroll. 9/9 button. Or 6/6. I'm not sure whether it's... Dylan Cruz out of 299. Pete Crow Armstrong out of 499. 6/6. Yeah, that's better. Tyler Callahan out of 499. And Anthony Volpe out of 299. Man, I don't think I've seen a better 3-box break. Congrats.